everybody. I'm here today to help my wife out here. She had this clock that she liked for the decor, but when you put the battery in the thing,
Stop working.
you see how I just clicked 2 times and then it just stopped working. Well, then she really liked that. You know, you find a little thing that you use for your decor, a nice picture, but something goes wrong and something of that magnitude. Well, here's another little clock that I found in there that really doesn't matter at all. It was in the garage. But here's the thing about this. You put your battery in this one and it works. So the one you need doesn't work. The one you don't care about does work. Maybe like some of y'all relationships. I don't know. I can't say. But this is what we're going to do. It's like fixing a guy. You get to fix your favorite guy or fix your favorite woman. So I'm going to do this real quickly, guys. Now, just so you all would know, I put on my best cologne so I can smell good for y'all while I do this. So, we move forward. Now, here's my issue. Screwdriver, Phillips head. And I'm going to run through this real quick. You know, if you have a gun to do this, it will go much, much quicker, guys. So what we're going to do is I'm going to run through these real quickly. And then what I want to do is open this up. And so that's what we're doing. We're going to open this up. And prayerfully it works. If not, well, you guys just spent a few minutes watching me try. And there's nothing wrong with trying.
So once you get started, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so they can see what you're doing. Thank you, baby. I had to pull them out from in front of the TV to do this. But
so you saw I got my back. I opened my back up. 1. I'm sorry, baby.
I was talking. You just
Please
cut me
forgive me.
off, dog.
And this is 2. I'm trying to do this real fast for you guys because she pulled me from in front of the TV and I'm trying to get back in front of the TV, so I got to hurry up. Glass. As a matter of fact, I'm going to let my wife clean that while we go forward. And so you see I have taken all of that loose, guys. Now, you notice you want to follow your step pattern. The first thing I'm going to do is take off the second hand. That's for second. Then I'm going to take off the minute hand. That's for minutes. And now I'm going to take off the hour hand. And that's for hour. And so now you just have this frame here, nothing. So what I'm going to do, a little pair of pliers. See this little screw right here. I'm going to take this screw. There's a screw right there.
Well, honey, we're going to have to face this way so I can see what you're doing.
I'm not left-handed, people.
I know.
And so I just took that little screw right there, took it loose. So take that loose. If you notice, I'm putting everything in order so I can go right back and fix it the way I took it loose. And there you go. So all of that is done. I now wiggle a little bit, and that is what I was after right there. See how fast we did that, guys? So that is the no good one. So you want to put the no good part of the person, be it a male, the no good part of the male, or the no good part of the female, you put them over there. Now, you go over here, and this is the not good looking one, but the good stuff. So what we're going to do, I tried my screwdriver and my Phillips head, but I didn't have a small one. And all of my tools are not here. I have them somewhere else that I'm doing a project.
Probably at the church,
Well, at the church doing a project. So I'm going to use the multi-purpose screwdriver. This is not for the no good person. Do not use this on the no good person. This is strictly for the screwdriver that I'm going to need.
The screwdriver?
I just don't want them to use this for the no good person.
The screwdriver, not
the screwdriver. I'm just saying that they use this for the no good person, and then I get in trouble.
Okay.
So this is for the smaller screws, and I'm gonna. It's a multi-purpose tool.
Drop this glass. Okay, let me kind of.
Multi-purpose tool. So I'm gonna go with my multi-purpose tool here, and I'm gonna 1 screw down.
Let me zoom in a little bit, babe, so they can see what you're doing.
I'm just taking out the screws. 2 screw down. 3 screws down. This is a lot of work. Can I get something to drink, please? Just try.
You just got started. Now you're asking for
it's
something
a lot
to drink
of work.
already?
It's the thinking process. You don't understand. That's the no good person. I'm getting out the good. I'll just do it myself.
You just do the most.
Okay, there you go. And the last one. So, hopefully, this will be able to come out. So I took that apart. Now that's loose, and let's see. Let's see, I'm going to pull out the back part. It looks like it's, okay, wow, there it is. So that has come loose. Now, we're going to follow the same process. Remember, 1, the second hand, 2, the minute hand, and 3, the hourly hand. So you got those 3. So now what I want to do is take this out from the back if possible. I don't know, I'm going to look and see because I don't. And it seems like it's a hook here. There we go. And as you can see, I have now that piece. Now, if it's universal, which it looks like, you got to be careful. This is the no good one, and this is the good one. If it's universal, looks like it. Let's see. Just want to see. It might work, might not. I'm going to put this back here. Oh, it fits right in. But you look at that there. Now, let's hopefully, if this fits, we on the road. If not, well, it's too big. So now I have to make the necessary adjustments because what it did there. So now I'm going to have to put this, changing the hands on it. So this is the minute hand instead of hour hand, going backwards now.
Is that from the clock that worked?
Yeah, that was from the clock that worked. The minute hand.
So you're switching out everything, not just a little piece in the back, but the
Well,
hand.
I wanted to just switch out the little piece in the back, but because they were made slightly different,
You have to use all
I
of
have to
that.
use those
Okay.
tools. It's like a marriage. They're going to stay together no matter what. So then we're going to go with this. And you put everything on the 12. That's to just make sure. And let's see. Let's see if I put...
So you've already turn it around so we can see the back. So you put the back on already?
Put the back on. It just
It
slides
just-
in place.
it just
Now,
snaps right
here's the
in.
thing. Here's the difference.
Wait a
Some-
minute, because I was trying to zoom in to see that, Ray.
See
You
it?
have to realize if you're doing a tutorial, baby, they have to see what you're doing.
But y'all got to be faster learners. Now, you see how I just went in? Now, here's where the problem runs in at. This one, the no good one, had screws to go around here and hold it in. This one, the good one, had a snap piece in the back. See, it snapped
Oh.
in the back. So now I'm running into the issue of how do I secure the good one without snaps into the bad one, which has snaps. Let's see, first of all, if we're going to work through this. And you see, it's doing its thing. Hold on, guys. Trust me, I got something for you. Hold on, I got something for you, people. I got something for you. Remember, this is about, guys, this is all about
You have to be creative.
being creative. Now remember, you're not going to be, remember this is just decor.
So you won't see the back.
You're not going to see the back. There we go, I got that in. Now, remember, this is strictly about decor. You're not going to see the back, okay? But this, my problem I'm having is this don't have a snap.
So
So
what you have to do, maybe.
what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead with my process. Let me go ahead and stay with my process so far.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working. It's working. You see the hand is ticking. It's going. Okay, so
Good
now
job.
that is working. Give my glass. I'm gonna put it all back together, but I'm gonna show
It's
you.
right here, babe.
All right.
Can we glue that down in the back with tape it? Or
Yeah, we can use different processes
different what?
to make sure to get this where we want it to be. And trust me, we're gonna use a good process. Trust me. I got this, people. I got this. I've already kind of pre-thought this out. If this thing will happen like that. So I'm just going to take my multi-purpose tool, not for using against the no good person. That's a disclaimer. You got to keep, somebody might use that multi-purpose tool for something it was not intended to be used for, and I don't want to be held liable.
Oh, ain't nobody gonna cut nobody.
I I don't know. When you got a no good person, you change. They change your mind sometimes. You mean well, but the no good person makes you kind of.
Turn into Lorena Bobbitt.
What?
Lorena Bobbitt.
No.
No.
You don't understand what that do to me, and when you hear that name.
Oh, I'm sorry. Lorena Bobbitt had some for you, did you?
No, you don't believe that ain't a good name. That's like saying.
I'm sorry.
Okay, guys. So what we done did, you got half of your problem now. You got your problem pretty much beat down. You got your problem beat now. And I'm saying that to say one little score. I had to get this out. And if you notice, we're in business now. So all of the main stuff we got it done.
I tell you, that was a quick fix because that clock was getting ready to go to
Now
in the trash can.
I'm gonna set your time, and I'm gonna just set a
Upside
time.
down, baby. It's upside down. It's upside down.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, I'm gonna just set a time and let's say our time. What? It's upside down.
No, it's right now.
Is it?
I mean, that's the top of the clock where the name is. You put the thing upside down?
It's okay. It works anyway. It's universal.
Oh, okay. Yay.
Hold on. Wait a minute. This is what happened. I don't got off. The main thing is to make sure. You see this? I'm trying to set it at 12, and it won't set by 12.
Oh, okay.
Because I didn't set the thing right.
Right in the middle.
I didn't set it in the middle. So my thing is I got to do.
Like the no good people that don't do it.
Like the no good people that don't do right, you always got to make some adjustments. God, won't they just do the right thing sometimes? Okay, you see when you made the adjustment, it goes to a proper time. See, that would be 6 o'clock. So, see, 7 o'clock. So everything is on.
Saying God.
Gosh.
Gosh.
So the point I'm saying, see, when a no good person is upside down, things just won't line up. But when there's a person that fits, see, it lines up.
Okay.
It lines up.
So we're in business.
You see, we're in business with our clock. And so I just set a time that I would say just a fictitious time, depending on what coast you're on. So let's say, there you go. Now, the only thing that's left because of the minor changes, nobody is perfect. I don't care how much I work hard and try my best and to do my best. There are things that my wife have to put up with me. So, you have to realize I work most of the time. Sometimes I'm off, so we have to make the adjustment. So, what my wife will do?
You can't see it here. Put some super hold tape.
Super hold tape,
on
people.
the back,
You see this?
to
You
hold it
don't
down.
even. Nobody's gonna see the back of your little clock.
And it's a super hold.
It's a super hold. So nobody's gonna see this. You may say, just buy a new one. Well, what if you got one you like and it goes with your decor and you can't find another one? That's what this is about, people. Think with me. Come on.
Thank you, honey.
You just simply super hold tape in the back. You got this thing locked down. Want to put another one. You don't want to put it over where your battery goes. And I'm just putting this in our course. I would be a whole lot more detailed than this, but you're not gonna see. What's up, dude? Making it work, man. Making it work.
We have Mom.
I'm helping mom out.
Why are you taping batteries down?
Calm down, son. Your generation throw everything away.
I just want to know why you taping batteries.
I'm not taping batteries. That battery. So there it is, people. Look. Pay attention. Pay attention. So it works. So once that's done, two things can happen.
Can you see it again, honey?
Once it is done, two things can happen. One,
The back is secure.
I want to put up the universal tool that is not for, in any way, form, or fashion, hurting the no good people. This is a pretty good person, but had a shortcoming. This is the no good stuff that don't work. You can collect all of your no good stuff, well, the stuff that,
Did you just call those clocks people?
well, no, I'm just using it as an analogy.
As an analogy.
We just trying to make this out. So you got all of this stuff up, and look at this, guys.
So who is that?
This is the, like you ever had a girlfriend that just didn't work out with you? Have you ever been a boyfriend where you didn't work out with a young lady? Okay, so it's her then. She wasn't right. Okay, so this one you didn't get right. You did everything you could to work with her. Just didn't work, so you just let her.
Okay, so let me ask you this: would you like to do a custom thumbnail? And the thumbnail is what people see when they're searching for videos. That's the picture that they see before they click on it. Would you like to do a custom thumbnail for me to use when I get ready to?
No, not a thumbnail.
Not your thumb, babe.
said a thumbnail?
It's
No.
a picture. Oh my god.
It's the picture people see before they click on the
Before they
video.
click on the video, when they go to YouTube and they click on the video.
Okay.
So would you
Yeah.
like to do a particular thumbnail?
Yeah, broke people,
What you mean, bro?
What?
broken people.
No, honey, your picture. What do you want the picture to look like?
Oh my
Okay.
goodness.
What's it supposed to look like?
Whatever you want. Do you want to hold the
come on,
camera?
let 'em,
Okay. Well, I'm just saying. Do you,
You
want
can
to hold
do,
the
you can
picture?
do anything you want.
anything?
Yes.
I mean, but it needs to make sense with the video. Oh.
How about a foot?
No.
Walking away from things. That's what this is about, taking broke things and fixing it. Well, y'all just do whatever y'all want to do. I'm not trying to put up with this no more.
You're so old and so goofy.
Okay. Well, y'all. Let's see. My clock is fixed. Well, y'all. My clock is fixed. So I'm sure he's gone back to get in front of the TV. Thank you all so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again, or maybe joining us again next time. Bye.